What's up guys, my name's Chase and today I'm reviewing Guyz Beard Serum with Grotein. Stay tuned. So first things first, I want to give a huge shout out to Guyz. Thank you guys so much for sending me these products to review. Now let's get into the good stuff. Alright, so on to the good stuff. I'm reviewing the Beard Serum by Guyz. Hopefully you can see that. And this product was designed for beginners. Someone who's just now starting to grow a beard, who is obviously in the beginning stages and might have problems with some patchy areas on their beard. This stuff is supposed to spark growth and help prevent some of those patches and to give you a fuller, natural looking beard. It's got over 20 peptides, proteins, extracts, and oils to help feed growing follicles, like I said, beginner beard, and to moisturize the skin underneath while working to fill in patchy areas and enhance your beard's natural shine. I obviously have been growing this beard for a little while, and I've been using this anyways, just to see what it would do with a full beard, to see if it can help grow in some thin areas that I have personally, and to say the least, it has. I don't know if you can see, but down here in the bottom, my beard has always been thin, right here in my chin area. It splits right here down the middle, and I have a problem with it being thin, and you can see through it and see through the hair. Using this for about a week and a half, I can tell that it's already pretty much going away. I can tell a big difference since day one. This stuff's actually working and making my beard grow thicker. So let's get into the consistency and the smell. This stuff is kind of thick. It's a little bit thicker than beard oil. Hopefully y'all can see that. It looks real cloudy. I don't know if you've ever tried Boss Man brand's beard jelly, which is like an oil and balm mixed together. That's what this texture reminds me of. And the smell, man, it's very, very clean. Something you would smell if you're at a barbershop, that real crisp, clean smell. Almost smells like a cologne, like a really expensive cologne. So let's get into how you apply this product. The directions say, after washing with Guyz Daily Wash, which I also use, towel dry your beard and face. Apply 3 to 5 drops of beard serum to your fingertips. Rub fingertips together and massage the serum into desired growth areas for 20 to 30 seconds. Allow area to dry completely without touching, maybe applied twice a day. So what I do is right after I get out of the shower, I've been using this every night, is take, it says a few drops, but my beard's kind of a little bit longer than a beginner's beard. I take a whole dropper full, which might be too much, but if that's the case, that's fine with me. And I rub it through my hands. I get it on both sides of my hands real good so that my fingers are coated with it. And just start at the bottom and I rub it in. It says to rub it for 30 seconds, 20 to 30 seconds, which you can do. Give yourself a nice beard massage, which is always good. But you rub that in. I'm not going to do it for the full 30 seconds, but just rub it in anywhere you want your beard to grow thicker or to grow a little bit better than it is now. And I take my wooden comb, little wooden comb I got, comb that in. And man, I'm telling you, this smell, you can't go wrong with it. It smells so clean, real refreshing. Almost like you just put cologne in your beard. But yeah, you let that dry. It's supposed to say, it says to let that dry without touching it for about 15-20 minutes. But it dries really fast, at least in my beard it does. So it only takes maybe 5 to 10 minutes for it to grow in my beard. But overall, man, I really like this stuff. I was a huge skeptic when it comes to things that tell you your beard's going to grow thicker or faster, because I've always been told there's no way for you to make your hair grow faster. It's all genetics. But after using this for only, like I said, a week and a half, it's actually working, especially on the ends of my beard where it usually breaks off and looks real thin and looks like I have dead end or split ends on the end of my beard. So overall, I'm really impressed. I would definitely recommend this. I believe it's $9.99, and I know you can pick this up at Walgreens and maybe also Walmart. But I'll leave the ingredients in the description of this video so y'all can check it out and see if it's something you want to try out. But like I said, I like it. I recommend it, and hope you guys give it a try. Again, it's the beard serum from Guyz. 2 thumbs up.